Welcome to my channel. I'm Sayaka. I was born and raised in Japan, but currently live in the US. Today, I'd like to share 5 Japanese recipes using kabocha squash I got at the local international food market. Japanese pumpkin is called kabocha. It's smaller than Western pumpkins with a dark green skin and a dense sweet flavor. The name kabocha actually comes from Cambodia, where it was brought to Japan back in the 16th century. Because kabocha could be stored for a long time at room temperature, it became a valuable winter food. Even today, it's a beloved ingredient in traditional Japanese dishes like tempura and simmered dishes. Here are the ingredients. You can also find them in the description of this video. Alright, let's get started. First, I'm going to make simmered kabocha. This is the most common kabocha recipe in Japan. It's simple, but it's always been people's favorite. Cut off 1/4 of the kabocha and remove the seeds and pulp. Cut it into large bite-sized pieces. Use a peeler to trim the edges. By doing so, the pieces keep their shape, cook evenly, and absorb the flavors better. In a pot, combine the kabocha squash, water, sugar, and soy sauce. Simmer over low to medium heat for about 15 minutes until the kabocha is softly cooked. Let it sit for a while afterward. It tastes even better the next day as the flavors soak in. Next, I'm going to make kabocha soup. Peel 1/4 of the kabocha squash and cut it into 2-inch pieces. In a pot, melt butter and cook sliced onions until soft. Add kabocha squash. 350 ml of water. 1 vegetable bouillon cube. 1 teaspoon sugar. A half teaspoon soy sauce. Cook it over low to medium heat for 15 minutes. Blend well. $350 ml of milk. That's it. It pairs well with bread and other Western dishes. Next, I'm going to make Kabocha Salad. It's great for meal prep and makes a perfect side dish. Wrap the cut pumpkin loosely and microwave for 5 minutes. 50-gram cream cheese, 2 tablespoons Japanese mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons honey, mash roughly. Add raisin and that's it. Next, I'm going to make Kabocha Muffins. Muffins are a delicious American treat. I adapted my banana muffin recipe with a little help from AI, and that's the one I'll be using today. Wrap the cut pumpkin loosely and microwave for 5 minutes. Add wet ingredients in a bowl and blend. Add dry ingredients and mix everything well. Sprinkle pumpkin seeds or chocolate chips if desired. Bake it over 350 oven for 20 minutes. That's it. Next, I still have a little kabocha left, so I'm going to slice it up and make a teriyaki butter sauté. Thinly sliced kabocha squash. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to a frying pan. Cook each side for 5 minutes. 2 teaspoons sugar. 2 teaspoons soy sauce. 2 teaspoons rice wine. 2 teaspoons mirin. Add butter. Sprinkle sesame seeds and that's it. Enjoy!